Now that we have connected the drivetrain to the brain, the next step is to create a program that tells the brain how to interact with the drivetrain. At the top of the screen, to the right of the robot menu, is the Blocks button. Click on it. We will start in the Brain Block workspace as indicated by the highlighted tab at the top. ModKit has predefined blocks of code on the left that you will drag and drop into the workspace. The code blocks are sorted into different categories. They are Setup, Output, Sensing, Operators, Control, and My Blocks. The blocks of code only fit together in certain ways, and you can see that based on their shapes. Because we are interested in controlling the drivetrain, click on Control. For the brain, always start with the When block, paired with the Broadcast block. Link them together by dragging the Broadcast block underneath the When block. We will see a shadow appear underneath the When block, telling us that the two blocks will be linked. The When block starts with an event called Start that will be performed when we run our program on our robot. In the Broadcast drop-down menu, we need to create a new event. We will call it Drive FWD for Drive Forward. We are done here in the Brain workspace, so we will save our program. Next, we have to define Drive FWD in the drivetrain. Click on the Drivetrain tab and we will be brought to the Drivetrain workspace. Under the Control section on the left, select a When block and drag it into the workspace. Link it to the Drive block, which has a distance pull-down menu which is found in the Output section. Now that we have our blocks, we're going to select the variables to use in each block. In the When block, click the drop-down menu to see a list of events. Since we told the brain to broadcast Drive FWD when the program starts to run, we should select Drive FWD. In the Drive block, there's an option in the drop-down menu to select the direction the motors will turn. Since it's already set to forward, we will not change it. However, we will change the distance to 50 inches. By doing this, we have now programmed our robot to drive forward 50 inches when the program is run. Remember to save again. We're now ready to download our finished program into our robot. To connect our robots to our computers, we will use the same USB cable that charges the controller. Once the robot is connected, turn it on by hitting the check button on the brain. Now, select a program slot to the right of your program title. Since this is our first program, select slot 1 from the small drop-down menu. Now, select the Save to Robot Brain button, which is the leftmost button directly above the slot drop-down menu. Our project title will light up green to show that the download has been successful. We're now ready to disconnect the robot and run our program.